Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Doing another cooking video. I'm doing something, I don't know if it officially has a name or not. It's kind of an idea. What I was going to do is make a dish called tuna twist. But this is sort of a variation because I've been taking tuna to work for my lunches. I decided to do chicken and bacon, so it's going to be like a chicken bacon bake. So, but I'm working on the title. Maybe I'll think of a better title later down the road. Just getting my stuff together, show you what we got, and we'll get to it. Alright, so we got some pepper bacon here. One of my personal favorites. I like to use it a lot when I cook. When I'm making dishes that require bacon, I like to get pepper bacon. So let me cut this up off camera and get something underneath this cutting board so quit moving around. So I got one jalapeno here. So what I want to do is julienne this sucker. Oh yeah, a little gratuitous bacon shot. Alright, so I got here some chicken thighs. My favorite bird. Or rather, my favorite part of the bird. Is that two of them? Yes it is. Great. Get my chicken cut up. Oh man, that bacon smells absolutely delicious. Alright. It's all in the pan. Clean up all my chicken. Alright, got some seasoning on. So I need come on. A little salt, not much. I'm going to call that done, but we got low on bacon grease, so I've been that's going to spill everywhere, I think. Dang it. Didn't have everything prepared. I don't want to waste any of this deliciousness. Alright, so we got some of my jalapenos. And my mushrooms. chicken's looking really good. Now, let's check the chicken. I'm like really behind on everything. I gotta get my other stuff going. If you're not sure how to, if chicken is done, just break it in half and check it. Well, it'll probably be better, easier and better with a big wooden spoon, but let's see. I'll just set this here for now because I need this saucepan. And I want to make a cream sauce. I'm gonna make sure I don't neglect my mushrooms and jalapenos. A little bit of seasoning on that too. Oh, I forgot my sloppy mama. Put that in there. Although with the jalapenos, it might be a little redundant. Man, I'm really getting behind. So chicken is going in here. I'll show you why, or what I'm thinking. Which is I'm very unorganized right now. I'm not proud to admit it, but everything in here is cooked. I'm really just waiting on the heat for this. I'm gonna make a cream sauce to put all this into, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do after that. All right, I think we're good. Definitely feeling some heat. I don't want to make a lot of this. Might have a little too much grease in there, which would be kind of unfortunate. So I've got milk, show the heat. There we go. Came together. Oop, some came out. Alright. I'm happy with that consistency, and just because I know from experience it needs to be seasoned. So, salt. And pepper. I think I'm okay with that consistency, but let's taste it just to be on the safe side. Yeah, I like that. So, I'm going to go ahead and put the mushroom, jalapeno, and chicken in here. And stir this up. Sweet. Alright, so here's what I've done. I made yogurt biscuits. I'll link the description with the video. And the end card should have it as well, in case the link doesn't work for some reason. You might have an idea what I'm doing with this. I guess if not, you'll be surprised. I want to get this thing flat and as wide as I can. Got a little bit of butter in here. Alright. So what I want to do with this mixture now is I'm gonna run this right down the center of this. That's why I wanted it thick, so it wouldn't fall out of the wouldn't really fall out of the mix. We got some bacon will run down the middle. Could I have possibly fried up a little bit too much bacon? Nonsense. It'll get eaten. Tuck in those sides. Is it going to stay together? I'm gonna call that good. It may look a little rough, but it won't matter when you see what I find. When you see the final product, it won't matter. 350 degrees for 20 minutes. All right, so I've got 3 minutes 22 seconds left on the. I set the microwave timer. But I'm also steaming some broccoli because you gotta have some kind of vegetable. So I've got some unsalted butter, about 3-4 ounces, in the same saucepan I pulled the other stuff out because I'm gonna saute the jalapenos in the butter, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of flour and then make a roux and do a cheese sauce, which I'm gonna pour over the biscuit once it comes out of the refrigerator. That's my plan. So we're gonna be making up some, I got some cheese right here. Yes, Mark Kratz, I'm using yellow cheese. So, I'm just using what I have. And I put this on my breakfast every morning, so I've already got it. And I'm also going to put the bacon bits, the leftover bacon in there as well. Alright, so this is finally starting to get going. So I'm basically going to have jalapeno butter, which will be quite good. Got some flour right here, just ready to go. I'm gonna need a wooden spoon since I threw mine in the sink. So I'm a little worried I jumped the gun on the sauce a little bit. We're at a little flour. That's the microwave. I no longer need that timer because I can go by the whoops. A little bit more. Alright. Of course I just had to put my milk away. So we'll throw some milk in there. Forgot one more thing. The bacon. Get my bacon bits in there. I added a little bit more milk too off camera, just so it's a little bit more saucy. Oh, and I need to season. Pepper and a little salt. Not much salt because I've got some bacon in there, so actually there's pepper bacon too, but fortunately I love pepper, so yeah, I'm actually quite happy with that. Good consistency. Oh man. Oh, it's cheesy delicious. Alright, my vegetables are going to ding here at any moment now. Let's take a look at this. Oh man, look at that. Dude. Alright, so that looks and smells pretty much amazing. This is my dinner, so I'm gonna dig in ASAP. Got just a little piece down below. There's my vegetables. Little came out, no big deal. Get these veggies going. Gotta have my veggies. Now what I'm gonna do with this, take this, I guess it's more like a cheese soup, but just pour it right over the top. As you're probably already saying, pour some on the vegetables too. Good idea. Great idea. Alright, so here's another shot of it. I think I got the soup a little runny, but you know what? I'm not even going to worry about it because I wanted to do like a cheese sauce, but I ended up doing like a cheese soup. But, yeah. Alright, trying things in front of the, front of my computer, behind the TV behind me, where I shot a lot of my updates. Figured maybe the camera angle straight on was better than having it at the table. We're just trying something out. See how this tastes. We get the jalapeno, bacon, mushroom, chicken, yogurt biscuits, which I love, broccoli with cheese soup on it. Oh man. Just the combination of everything. Yeah, so that's just straight delicious. Yeah, maybe it's a little on the fattening side, but you know, so what? Man, it tastes great. I honestly wish I could if I could give a plate of this to every one of you, I would. It is just money. That's something I wouldn't mind sitting down and paying for in a restaurant. Of course, you can alter this however you want. You can put, you know, if you're an onion fan, put onions in. You know, if you make this, make it however you want. You know, when you're cooking, you're in charge. So, I'm just hit 2 minutes, so I've already rambled enough. I'm going to enjoy this while I probably watch some on YouTube. And I'll bring you back. Alright, well, it's actually been about an hour. Clean plate, needless to say. Man, it was delicious. Probably one of the better meals I've made. Really tasty, really good. I had another chunk left, so I'm going to take it to work tomorrow for lunch. I normally do a can of tuna, but I'm going to eat this. It was good. The soup, I guess it wasn't so much of a cheese sauce. It was more of a cheese soup, but it was still just really good. So it wasn't what I was planning on, but still, you know, it was still great. So highly recommend giving this a try. I'd highly recommend making everything from scratch if you can. The biscuits are, you know, give it a try. The soup was super easy to make. Nothing on there was really that hard. I mean, it probably took longer to make because I was filming, but I just gonna have to set the camera up and everything else. But yeah, I highly recommend trying that. It was awesome. So anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you next one.